Do you know what these are? Interesting question. Well, firstly, they're edible. This is from the small leaf Lilly Pilly, which is Syzygium lemannii. You can see it behind me. Fabulous plant to grow, this particular type of Lilly Pilly. It makes a wonderful jam. And if you're interested, just hook into the address there. But it's also, it's great on meat and all sorts of things. They will prune very nicely, small leaf Lilly Pilly, so they're good for hedges. They'll trim into hedges. There's a few varieties of it these days too. The dwarf ones are absolutely wonderful. However, most of the Lilly Pillies tend to get little insects that pockmark them and make them look unattractive. This particular Lilly Pilly doesn't seem to have an enemy in the world. All Lilly Pillies do produce edible fruit. In my opinion, Syzygium lemannii, the small leaf Lilly Pilly, does produce the best jam if you're going to make one. So do have a look. I know that's a dreadful name, Syzygium. It's actually when you get 2 or 3 or so planets linked together for a while and they become visible. That's called a syzygy. Why they ever picked that name to go with the plant, I'll never understand. But anyway, Syzygium lemannii, the small leaf Lilly Pilly, they produce edible fruit. We've got the recipe. Get into it.